Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you 2 ways to harvest your arugula from your containers or grow bags. Here's a clip from the show. So there's 2 methods. One is you can just pick the individual leaves like you would the lettuce. And the other is you can just take the scissors and just shear. And you want to shear above the crown. So you want to protect the crown of the plant, which is the very center. And you can just shear those leaves up off the top. So I think today I'm going to go ahead and shear the arugula. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 3. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.